Hi, and congratulations on adding SMS to your license. In this video, we're going to review how to complete a test SMS to ensure that everything is feeding through as intended. From the Newbook menu search, find Add Guest. Create a test guest using your own mobile phone number. And save the guest. From the guest profile, hover over Send Contact from the top icons, then select Guest. On the Send Contact page, select SMS for the sending type. Put the word Test in the name and also the SMS content. Select Send SMS. You should now see a success message in green, and you should shortly receive a SMS to your mobile. Otherwise, give our support team a call. If you also have two-way SMS enabled, allowing guests to reply back to you, simply reply to the SMS you have just received. In Newbook, you will then shortly see a notification when that SMS drops in. Click the SMS icon from the top right to enter the SMS inbox to see the reply back from our guest. If this does not appear, please give our team a call. Now you have confirmed your SMS is feeding through, here are some handy tips. You can send SMS in other areas of Newbook, for instance, for a booking. Simply open the relevant booking, hover over Add New, Send Contact, and select the SMS option. Just like emails, you can choose from pre-existing SMS contact templates, or free type below. Please note the character limit. You can also SMS in bulk. For instance, if you wanted to reach all of your in-house guests to advise that there was a storm on the way, simply go to your guests in-house list, bulk select all applicable guests, send contact, and select SMS. Once again, you have the option to select an existing SMS contact template or free type below, and then send. You can also automate your SMS using Automated Contact. You can do so by going to Add Automated Contact, select SMS, and the relevant SMS contact template. Then you can select when this SMS will trigger and if there are any filters. For instance, most clients send a pre-arrival SMS. In their SMS contact template, this can include things that will help streamline their check-in process, like links to pay outstanding balances online, or links to sign their guest agreement prior to arrival, as well as other handy information like site numbers or even access codes. See Knowledge Base for more information on how to set up automated contacts. SMS is connected to so many other great features in Newbook, so remember to check Knowledge Base for lots more ideas on how to use SMS to streamline processes or increase revenue. I hope you've enjoyed this video and enjoy using our SMS integration.